Char grilled chicken breasts. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 cloves garlic, crushed, juice of 1 lime, 1 teaspoon paprika pepper, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon turmeric. 4 chicken breasts. Method: put the olive oil, garlic, lime juice, paprika, cayenne, cumin and turmeric into a small bowl and lightly whisk together until well combined. Pour the mixture into a dish or large polythene bag. Put the chicken breasts into the dish or bag and thoroughly coat the chicken with the mixture. Cover the dish with cling film or seal the bag and place in the fridge to marinate for 3 to 4 hours or overnight if possible. Remove the chicken from the marinade. Heat the griddle pan until hot, then arrange the chicken breasts on the pan and cook for 15 minutes, turning once or twice until cooked through or when the juices run clear when a skewer is inserted into the flesh. Serve with a crisp salad.